good evening, good night. Welcome back to Crafty Crones Live. My name's Dawn. If you're new to my channel, hi. Please feel free to subscribe, comment and like. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. So this is just going to be a quick haul. It's from a new to me shop that I found on Facebook. It's a UK based company and they sell all sorts of craft items. They sell diamond paintings, they sell 3D printed items, yarn, all that kind of thing. Basically any craft item. So I thought I'd do a little video on the items that I purchased from her. The shop is called, one second, Katz's Crafty Things, and she does have an Etsy shop and a Facebook page. So yeah, if you like any of the items, please feel free to go over there and have a look at what she's got. And she has got a sale on at the moment as well on her Colour Splash section. She also has a section of like darker art images. So the reason why I went to this shop is I wanted a 3D printed tray, but I wanted one with possibly my channel name on. Everyone that I found that did that was abroad, and therefore the shipping cost was working out more than what the tray was costing. So I thought, right, I'll try something that's more local to me just to see what the 3D printed trays are like first, because I've never had one. I've purchased from Temu. I have had some from Amazon that's come through with other items like my light board and everything. But yeah, we'll get into it. Let's have a look. So this is how it came. I won't show the other side, it does have my details on. But I've been excited to open this, obviously. It is currently the 22nd of December. And I've had this for a couple of days and I've really wanted to crack into it, but I thought I'd better make a video. I don't want to open it off camera. So, I've never actually purchased paintings from an actual craft store or anything like that. Mine have always been from Temu or from a couple from Amazon and Shein. But that is that. Okay, so this is her shop, Katz's Crafty Things. If you want to take a screenshot of that and maybe check her pages out for social media. Just pop these here, that's got information on. So, let's have a look. Maybe we'll put this down here and then get into it. First item. Everything's like, it seems to be pretty well packaged. I did notice there that the diamond paintings are not in boxes, but that doesn't matter. Like I say, there was really cheap, so especially with them being in the sale as well. I've been really busy lately, and I've not had no time at all to, I've not had no time at all to be doing any videos. I've done them, but I have not edited them. So this is the first tray. This is classed as a black and red silk. I do like this. Then you have your stopper there. I believe you can put it in like that. All right. But yeah, I do like this. There's very nice high walls as well, because I'm an aggressive shaker, so when I shake my drills, they go all over. And then a smaller version. I got them with the lip on. Well, it's classed as a ledge. It says a ledge on there. So this one does have a stopper that slides in and out. And then there's slight funnel. So that's those. This one, I believe, let me get my phone up and check these prices. Sorry guys, I thought it would have been on the invoice, but obviously it's not. So this one was $3.99 and it's black and red silk. And then this one is classed as a large with a ledge, and that is $4.99, and that again is the black and red silk. It's more purple, but I suppose you can see a little bit of the red there. But yeah, I like these. So that's that one. Oh, I know what this is. So if anyone has the Elizabeth Ward or classified cases, these storage containers, this is actually a funnel for them, and I just purchased a black one for that. And you just pop the container underneath and put your drills in. Again, that's 3D printed. A little funnel. And that was $2.99, and I just got that in black. So into the dining cases. So 1 and 2 and a 3. And these, I believe, have ABs. Yeah, AB drills. So they are all 40 by 40, and they were all $5.99 each. So £6 basically for each one of these with AB drills, and they are all round. What I will do is I'll pause the video, take them out, and I'll show you each individual one with their drills. Okay, so I've taken them out of the kit, out of the packaging, took everything out. So each one obviously came with your standard toolkit. So you've got a pair of tweezers, a squishy, pen there with a multi-placer on the end, the narrow boat tray, and a larger plate of wax. And it is exactly the same in every one of those. So there's those. And then this is each, obviously you get your instructions, and each one has a picture. Excuse me. You've got your bag number, your symbol on the canvas, your drill number, which is the DMC, and then your quantity on each one. So that is one of those. This is the second. And then we have the lion. I do like animals, I love animals. They have got some really nice ones on their website, some really nice diamond paintings on their website that I do want to purchase, but I thought I'm going to try the cheaper end first, because that's me, I'm a cheapskate. So, this is the lion. Maybe I need to turn this lighting down a little second. It's still not helping. That is the lion. Might be a little harder to see, like these ones here with the wave on them. and the other little symbol that's on there as well. It does look like it's a rendering for squares, but either way I'm sure it'll turn out okay or perfect, we'll see. But there is 30 colours on here, and these are the drills. Lots of 3865 white. Have all those other colours. Blues, reds, oranges, green, blue, darker blues, pink, some and those are the ABs. First time getting ABs in a kit, I think. Oh no, I have actually got some more, but I need to do videos about them. They were from Temu. But yeah, those are the things. Each pack of drills does have the number for the painting, matching number. On every little packet they do have that. So every individual bag of drills, it does say what it's for, the size, the drill number, and the weight and quantity. But yes, that's those. Lion. Lovely. And then we have a gorilla. Again, it's some of the symbols don't seem to be really clear. I'm sure with a light board they will be a lot better. I mean, it's not bad, I can see them, but I imagine if the lighting was a little bit darker. I've actually got a light above here at the moment, but if it was a lot darker then I'd have trouble seeing like some of these. Obviously, like in the viewfinder and stuff, in the camera it's not too bad, but up and personal, my face is not really touching the canvas, so I can't. I'd literally have to put my head about this far to be able to see it. I'm sure everyone knows what I mean that does diamond painting, but yeah, red eyes, interesting. And these are the drills for that one. Again, a lot of 3865. Some of the similar colours as, you know, the other one's like more reds and blues. This is more purples and blues. Purples and pinks, a couple of reds. And then we have the drills. AB drills, sorry. Brain fart. I was just trying to read that number because I thought it was the same that's on the other, but it isn't. That one is 152 and this is 154. So yeah, but those are the drills for this one. Very nice. And she must print them. She must have a printer for them because she does have like that up there. That's her logo. So that is the gorilla. And then we have the chimpanzee. So he's got a lot of blue, purple, yellow and red in him. Again, they do look clear. The drill field does look clear, but like this, let me see if I can get that on there. This little symbol here is really hard to see. And it is actually that one. Yeah, like I said, light board on, I wouldn't have any issues, I don't think. And you can see there what the image would look like fully done. and it is a 30 by 40. I currently can't move it because I've got my stand here. Still trying to find the best solutions for recording, guys, excuse me. And the drills. There are your ABs. And they're all individually bagged instead of being in trains. I personally don't mind which way they come, as long as they're not the little small baby trains. I don't like them, you know, the little small ones. I really struggle with them. So yeah, this is all the paintings that I got for now. I will be buying again, I think, depending on how these ones turn out and if I do struggle with those. And this is the main thing I went for. I want to try some up. 1 second. Let me just try something. Because I'm excited to do this. I need to test it. Yeah, I do squares as well. Do. I hope. I need to get the hack of learning how to jiggle. But yeah. I can imagine the drills getting a bit trapped down here because there is, I see the little slight bit of bumping in there. I wonder if I'd be able to take that out with the tweezers. Yeah, a lot better. For me, for now. I've been diamond painting for about, I'd say about 3 months, 4 months. And I like it, I'm hooked. I've got loads of stuff, but I don't have the space for it all. So I'm currently trying to work out my space, how I'm storing things, what I'm needing to make life easier. I did share on a group that I'm on that I need to sell all my household items so that I can make more space for diamond paintings and more money. But yeah, that's my haul, guys. Hope you like it. And again, if you feel like you like any of these paintings, do go on to either one of those. I'm just looking. So I'm just trying to get up. So this is her page. And like I say, she sells yarn. She does like covers for your trays. She has a lot of items. These are the Colour Splash. She's got a lot of those on sale. I mean, they're still not like a bad price. I'm sorry, it's not really clear, but they're not a bad price. They also do that really annoying gift box where it's got hundreds of screws and you have to unscrew it all just to get to a little present inside. She also does a collaboration with another company that do, like I was saying earlier, they do the darker images. But yeah, this is her page, all her different items that she has in. Reasonably priced. I mean, for £6. Usually they are £7.50, so... And some of them do have 1 AB, some have 2 ABs, some have 5 ABs, so it depending on what you're wanting. See, like this one is a premium. That's a beautiful one. I just realised that my postcode comes up, so I need to remind myself to get rid of the postcode. But yeah, I just thought I'd have a little scroll while we're on here and show you, like that one, £19, premium kit. And you will hear my dog snoring in the background. It's got cover minders as well, bead storage, all kinds of different items, like there's loads. I do like that. But yep, I just thought I'd give that a little share for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do want to go and have a look at Katsy's crafty things, go ahead and pop over there. Let her know that I sent you over from Crafty Crown's Life. Hope you all have a beautiful day and an amazing Christmas, and enjoy every second of it if you can. If you're struggling, my heart goes out to you, because I know a lot of people are having hard times at the moment because of lost loved ones, financial reasons, all the reasons out there. But please know that things will hopefully get better for you, slowly but surely. And thanks again. Bye.